Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you easy steps to fix your GameSir G7 SE controller when it would not turn on. Let's start. First, unplug the controller and try again. If it still does not turn on, switch your USB cable. The cable might be broken or poor quality. Next, try different USB ports on your Xbox PC or laptop, especially a USB 3.0 port instead of a slower one. If it still would not power on, completely restart your Xbox or PC. Turn off the console, unplug the power, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Then plug the controller back in. This alone has fixed it for many users. Still no lights? Try a special button combo. Hold down the Xbox button and the Mode M button together. While holding them, plug in the cable. You should see the controller light up. Just quickly open the GameSir app and update its software or firmware right away. Some people say their controller started working again automatically after a few days. So, if nothing else works, leave it unplugged and retry later. Once it turns on, update it immediately. If none of these steps work, contact GameSir support or check their official Discord. It could be a bad controller and you might need a replacement. Here's a quick summary. First, try a different cable and USB port. Second, restart your console or PC completely. Third, hold Xbox and mode buttons and plug in to force a connection. Fourth, leave it unplugged and retry after some time. Fifth, update in the GameSir app once it powers on. Sixth, contact support or replace it if nothing works. Many users fix the issue using these simple steps, especially restarting and forcing it on. I hope this helped. If so, like and subscribe and share in the comments if your controller came back to life. Thanks for watching.